Good morning. Welcome you in this class. Today I have discussed with you, we will revise vectors, right? Vectors and transformation that is related with the vectors only, right? As we have discussed in vectors, with the help of vectors we are describing the sliding movements, okay? So your examinations are also, the portal is open. Okay, after some times I will discuss with you about your November examinations, final exams, right? So I will discuss, let others are also joining. So you have to, the portal examination CIE, that portal is open and you have to apply for your November examinations, right? All those who are interested. So in vectors, we have studied, if we want to, and to study vector, that grid is very important, right? If we have a grid, timing you can give me send your attendance also, right? In the same way, we have a graph, it is grid. Now, if we are at any position A, right? We are at point A here, and one is here at point B. Now one wants to move from A to B, and then the direction is from A to B. The direction is from A to B. And if one is moving horizontally, one, that this point is C, right? And from C, one is coming to D. Direction is, the vector is C to D, and then we have a vector, suppose we have the vector D to A. This is D to A. So here we have the vectors. One is vector AB, A to B. One is BC. One is C to D. And one is D to A, vector D to A. Right? So with vectors, we can find the, so Akshit, good morning, bache. Dilda, good morning. So today you will get the, I will talk to you people regarding your November examinations. The portal is open and you have to now apply for your exam, final examinations. Okay? Pass this message to other students also. Okay? Now take your classes very seriously, right? And by today or tomorrow I will make contact with everyone, all 10 students, regarding your this November examinations. Okay? So here, if A is going A to B, so how much towards x-axis, and that is horizontally, how many units? That is 2 units. And vertically, 1, 2, 3. So how we denote this vector? 2 in the horizontal way. This is moving 2 in a horizontal way and 3, right? Whereas B to C, this is 1 unit along x-axis, because horizontal axis are x-axis, whereas along y-axis no sliding movement. So we have 1, 0. Now C to D, right? C to D, what is x? That is 1 and minus of 2. When there is along the y-axis downwards, this component will be negative here. In the same way, we have B to A, right? That is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have minus of 4, because from B, how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And along y-axis, that is again minus of 1. So the component along x-axis and y-axis, if from any point the object is moving along positive x-axis, the component is positive 1, and if it is moving towards negative x-axis, it will be negative. Along y-axis, in upward direction it is positive and downward direction is negative. Now, what is the magnitude of a vector? Magnitude. So here, if I have a vector, this one, if I am making it double, because directions remain same, we can sometimes denote vectors with small letters, right? So if we can have the vector, same vector as twice of A, directions will remain the same, but magnitude is twice. Now if I am saying thrice of AB, so here what are that 3, that 3 is multiplied 2 and 3 is multiplied 3 also. What we will get? We will get 6 and 9, right? So along x-axis, how much? The x component will be 6 units and along y-axis it will be 9. So it is 3 times A, or we denote it as 3A also. Or we denote it as 3A. Okay, so vectors we are denoting with small letters also. So let's take some example of the vectors, right? So then comes your negative vector. If we have a vector AB, if we have a vector here AB, that I am here denoting as A, okay, it is supposed 2 and 3. What is negative A? Negative A means when we are taking this vector AB, in the direction is changed. The negative vector magnitude remains same direction. When we are going from B to A, then that is called, this vector is called minus of A. What is called? B to A. So what is B to A? See here, that x is 1, 2, that is minus of, sorry, that is, you can start here 2, 3. So we can write minus 2, minus 3. Check here also, 1, 2 in negative direction, that is 2 units minus, and here that is 1, 2, 3. So minus 3, right? So if we have a vector AB, then minus of AB the vector negative of vector, if we have a vector AB, right, in this form, like here we have 1 minus 4. So what is minus of vector AB? That is minus of 1 minus 4, right? So here some problem is coming